Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Marty from Best RV in Turlock, California. This afternoon we're presenting you the brand new 2025 Horse River Novo 18.2 Beast Mode. As usual, Beast Mode sitting. Come with the curved suspensions, the bigger solar system on the roof with a 2000-watt inverter, plus all the extra features of the Novo. And one of the major features of the Novo, it has the nice aerodynamic cap with an automotive window in the front, half diamond plated, pass-through storage, and then we have the power awning with LED light and off-road tires with Kurtz suspensions. And this is the beast mode. And in the back we have the backup camera and the leopard expandable ladder, spare tire, receiver for bike rack, and it has the 4 jacks, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, with all the hookup on this side. We have city water connections and pass-through window. This is acrylic window. This window is open, and this give you way more. You could see it's on shock. And if I go inside, I want to show you. Voila! So I could see a nice, beautiful view outside. I could bring the outdoor living inside. I could sit here on this nice bar stool with a nice counter, have my breakfast, do my work from my trailers, watch people, enjoy the awning, enjoy the outdoor living in this particular unit with no problem. It's amazing. And still, it's a half-ton towable, and I could pull it with a lot of extra SUVs. Bringing the outdoor living inside, and you have the nice big view on the side with the beautiful window. And if you don't need this window, you bring the shade. Nobody could see me. And if you don't want the bugs coming in, you have a beautiful screen. It's amazing. Look how roomy it is. It's 18-footer, but a lot of room. I love this beautiful high-end sofa here. I could sit, relax, watch my beautiful 32-inch smart TV, nice dinette counter top. I could use it as a dinette. I could use it as a work area. And hey, I want to see nice and beautiful view. I just open this. Voila, I'm sitting here and I could see what's going on outside. I could see the beautiful oceans. I get the nice fresh breeze if I want to. And if I want breeze without bugs, voila, I have full screen. It's amazing. I love this. I could sit here in the morning. Imagine yourself sitting in the morning, have a cup of coffee, and just look at the beautiful nature out. Or you could have my laptop here, do answering my emails. I could sit here. The wife, she could serve me from this beautiful kitchen. Look how big this sink with a 3 waterfall, cup rinse, rice faucet, 2 burner range, a lot of silver doors. And there's 4 here, more place for cooking pans, and then also more for silverware, utensils, microwave, convection microwave. By the way, I could cook here in this one. And then if you want pantry, you have this beautiful pantry right here, and still giving you the 10.7 Freon 12-volt reefer. It's amazing. It's amazing. And then you still have this storage over here over the sofa. You want to sleep a kid or somebody extra, voila. 2 people there, 1 kid here, or grandkids. Storage underneath the sofa, as you see, full storage. And if I'm tired, I throw myself in this beautiful bed for sleep 2 people, very roomy, easy to walk around it, watch the TV from the sofa, from the dinette, from the bed, no problem. And you have this lit up cabinet with the storage in the top, windows, 4 more windows, again, more windows with the shades, more windows, voila. Look how all these windows in this little tiny small trailer. And then when it comes to the bathroom, I have everything. Nice sink, medicine cabinet, counter, nice toilet, a shower with a skylight and a shower head, and a nice privacy place. This is the 18.2 Noble, the one with the beast mode, the one with the big solar system, the one with the 2001 inverter, the one with the curved suspensions, and the beautiful seating. Come to look at this unit at Best RV and get the best deal on 18.2.